Hi, and welcome to the first course for the Web Basic. Today we're going to see the basic of a web page. So to start with, we're going to have multiple tags that we're going to be using. We're first going to open our document with the HTML tag. So I start by opening a document with HTML, and then I close it later with the same tag, but I just add the backslash at front of it, just to indicate that I'm closing the tag. Now, two important parts of a document. First, you have to start with the head of the document. In the head of the document, you'll be able to place multiple information that could be very useful for searching engine. Today, we're just going to see the title, which is going to be the title that's going to be shown here on your page afterwards. So let's say I'm going to put a random title, my website. What is very important in HTML is to always close the tag once you open it. So if I open the title tag here, I have to close it afterward, always with the backslash in front. So just doing so now, I just added the title. I can refresh and see my title here is now called my website. Now everything that's between the head, we're not going to see it. So we're going to add the body of the document. In the body, it's going to be all the information that's going to be displayed on screen. So, oops. Wrong mistake. Not Bobby, but Buddy. Here you go. So let's say I want to write anything in the body. It will show up on screen here. So everything that it will write between my body and tags will show up on screen. Now in the document for the first course, we saw two different tags, the header and the paragraph. The header, we have 6 different types of header from H1 to H6. See, I'm going to use the main header here. And then I can add paragraph or subheader. So see, if I put my main header here, I have my main title. Then I can put subheader. So let's call it subtitle. See, I'm going to have a subtitle here. I can add paragraph after. It says, you notice I'm always closing each tag once I open them, just to make sure I don't forget closing one, and I add the content between. Okay. This is a paragraph. See, so we have the main title, we have a subtitle, and then we have a paragraph. Now, for search engine, you're usually going to search for keyword. So your main title, H1, you should only have one per page, and try to have the same wording than your title. So now the more words that are in both, so let's see here I have website and website, search engine is going to say, oh, this page is important concerning website. So it's going to take this information and it's going to send it, it's going to help you grow faster in the ranking. So, subtitles from H1 to H6, you can put as many as you wish. Now I'm not going to go all the way down to H6. I'm just going to put a second one here in H2 with a second paragraph. So you can say my second subtitle. And here we go. So this is my second paragraph, my second subtitle. If I refresh my screen, so you have 2 subtitle, 2 paragraph, and your main title. So this is all we're going to be seeing for this first lesson. So just stay tuned, and on the next lesson we're going to see the anchors, which an anchor is basically an hypertext link. So when you click on it, it's going to open a second page. Thank you for listening, and hope to see you soon. Bye.